Hello investors, it's Zil from Equitymaster bringing you investing insights to make investing simple and easy to learn. To stay updated on investing trends and the latest developments on Indian markets, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. In today's video, I'm going to discuss 5 upcoming IPOs in ever-evolving renewable energy sector. Renewable energy, once a niche segment of the broader energy industry, is growing rapidly to become an important source of power. This shift is reflected in the soaring performance of green energy stocks, with many witnessing multi-bagger returns over the past year. While current renewable stocks may appear pricey for investors, exciting developments are on the horizon. The renewable market is anticipated to witness heightened activity with the upcoming 5 renewable energy IPOs. Let's look at each of them in detail. Please note, this video is for information purposes only. It is not a stock recommendation and should not be treated as such. There is no opinion or view on any stock covered herein. Now let's get started. Leading the list is NTPC Green Energy. NTPC Green Energy is a wholly owned subsidiary of NTPC Limited, India's largest power company. The company focuses on accelerating NTPC's renewable energy growth and expanding its green footprint across India and potentially overseas. NTPC's green energy arm is likely to file a draft red herring prospectus for listing on the bourses by July to go for a Rs 100 billion IPO by November 2024. The company plans to construct a 60 gigawatt renewable portfolio over the next decade. It plans to develop its non-fossil companies using share sale earnings. It's also looking to develop pumped hydro storage and green hydrogen and ammonia manufacturing projects. The company is also working on e-mobility and waste-to-wealth projects. Second on the list is NHPC Renewable Energy. NHPC Renewable Energy is a subsidiary of NHPC Limited, the largest hydropower producer in India. NHPC Renewable Energy focuses on developing and managing renewable energy projects in India, primarily concentrating on solar and wind power. The company is committed to expanding its renewable energy portfolio with a pipeline of over 1,300 megawatts of solar projects. NHPC recently announced intentions to boost investments in renewable energy sources, aiming to allocate 80% of its total capital expenditure to the hydro sector and 15 to 20% to solar and hybrid green energy sectors by conclusion of financial year 27, enhancing its subsidiary growth prospects. NHPC plans to either take its clean energy subsidiary NHPC Renewable Energy public or divest its stake to strategic investors via private placements within the next 2 to 3 years, according to Rajendra Prasad Goel, NHPC's director. Although no specific details of the IPO have been publicly disclosed, NHPC plans to increase its renewable energy capacity in the future. Third on the list is SJVN Green Energy. The company works in the verticals of power generation from renewable sources such as solar parks, wind and hybrid projects, battery energy storage systems, and asset creation in wave, biomass, small hydrogen, and green hydrogen-based business ventures. SJVN Green Energy currently has 3.6 gigawatt assets in its pipeline, set to be commissioned in the next 2 years. For now, no official announcements are made by the renewable energy major for IPO. With plans to invest around 15 billion in renewable capacity addition, the company may consider going public soon. Fourth on the list is ONGC Green. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, the largest crude oil and natural gas company in India, incorporated a wholly owned subsidiary, ONGC Green, on 27 February 2024. ONGC Green engages in the value chains of energy business, with renewable energy, biofuels or biogas business, green hydrogen and its derivatives like green ammonia, green methanol, storage, carbon capture utilization, and storage and LNG business. The company is all set to leverage ONGC's existing infrastructure and expertise for efficient project development. While there have been no official announcements regarding its IPO, the company may consider such plans soon. Last on the list is NLC India Green Energy Limited. NLC India, a Navratna Central Public Sector Enterprise (CPSE) under the Ministry of Coal, in October 2023 incorporated a wholly owned subsidiary called NLC India Green Energy Limited. The company will take care of planning and participating in upcoming renewable energy tenders as well as tendering, execution, and commission of renewable energy projects. The subsidiary is expected to achieve 5 gigawatt capacity by 2030 and contribute towards carbon emission reduction. NLC India Green Energy has set an ambitious target for itself to institute renewable energy projects amounting to a capacity of 6 gigawatt by the year 2030. The company has not made any official announcements about IPO. However, it could be on the horizon. So these were the 5 potential candidates that might come out with their IPOs and leverage the momentum building up in the renewable energy sector. That's it for today. We hope you liked this video and it provided you some valuable insights. Have a profitable day and happy investing.